Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl. Welcome back to a new vlog. Period. Hey girl, if you are new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are getting ready to head out, do some window shopping for Christmas. Nothing really going on. But before I start this vlog, I do want to give a huge thank you to our sponsor, Gocashback, for sponsoring today's video. So Gocashback is a website where you guys can get cash back on your purchases. I mean, the list goes on. It goes from Neiman Marcus, Macy's, Sephora, and with the holidays, it is just a perfect time to get cash back on your gifts. Okay, like it just makes sense here. Gocashback works with a lot of different retailers. They work with Macy's, they work with Neiman Marcus, Sephora. They also work with Mac, and they even work with certain brands such as like Coach or Tatcha. You can get cash back on all your items here and more. They offer a variety of options. When it comes to redeeming your cash back, there are tons of withdrawal options. They are contracted with PayPal, check, or HeliPay. So these are the different ways that you can cash out on your funds that you receive for getting your cash back. It's very important to do Gocashback on your computer or your desktop. There is an extension that you can download so that you can go ahead and save on all of your purchases, so that no matter where you shop online, that extension will be there to let you know that you can get your cash back and what the percentage of cash back will be for whatever store you decide to purchase, which I think is really convenient. Okay, you will never have to worry about forgetting your phone or forgetting your app anytime you do some online shopping. As long as you have that extension there, you'll be good, girl. 21st through the 28th of this month, Sephora is having a major giveaway with Gocashback. You are going to be entered to win a Mason Margiela replica mini coffin set. So I really think you guys should take advantage, especially with the holidays coming up. Like, you really can't be getting your money back, girl. Like, it's a win-win, period. It's a win-win. For all my subscribers out there, if you are interested in taking advantage and pretty much getting some money back on your Christmas gifts, there will be a link below in the description box. If you are new to Gocashback, the link below in the description box will allow you to get $8 in cashback earnings. So I think it's totally a win-win. I really hope you guys take advantage. And girl, into that Sephora sale, okay? Like, who doesn't want that? Like, why not? As always, I do want to give a huge thank you to Gocashback for sponsoring today's video. And as always, let's get to the vlog. Hey y'all, so we are at the mall. Where?
That girl.
That gyro? That's a big ass gyro she eating. Hey y'all, so we made it to the mall. We're gonna do some walking around. I'm really just doing some window shopping. It's really not a big deal, okay? Like, not at all. But we're going to do some window shopping today. I'm going to go in the Apple store, look at some tablets, because that's the goal for Neriah. That's like what she's been asking for, the Apple Pen. So, yeah, that's pretty much the vibe here. My hair looks like crap, so I'm kind of hiding it from you guys. But yeah, let's see what we can find. I might walk in Sephora, look at some perfumes, girl. Let's just go. So I am like loving this bra. It doesn't have an underwire, but it's padded. How much is it? So I'm going in Hot Topic. I have not been in this store in like 25 years, bitch. I didn't even think this was still relevant. But what was that store called? They were selling dildos and shit. I think it's Spencer's. I don't think Spencer's are still around, but let me see. They have all their graphic tees. $23.
Do you happen to have the app? Oh, you do? Oh my gosh, I didn't even look to break the rule. I was going to say, make sure you have the app because that's how you track your rewards now.
And then, do you have any full chocolate or sodas left?
the heck? What is this? Oh my God, they have a big open section of socks. I know, they must have just did this. We have never seen this. This is like a random sock section. When socks became such a big deal. Swarovski. It's crazy because I feel like nobody is in these mall stores, or maybe I'm just tripping. Like, I can't imagine what their sales look like. Ooh, perfume. Surprised she ain't hound us down and make us smell a sample. It's one man in this mall, girl. He will chase after your ass to make sure that you are trying his product. He sells some type of hair shit. Oh, there go Apple. Looking over like Apple pens for my daughter. She's 6, Christmas. So as far as the Apple pens work, like how do they work?
So what iPad does she have? Do you know?
Well, she has an older generation one. It's not that much older, but the screen broke. So we were thinking like, okay, we'll get the screen fixed and we'll buy her Apple pen. I think it's an 8th generation.
Okay, so once I would suggest you find out exactly which generation you have on the iPad. You just go to
it's the 8th
About
generation.
Figure out which one it is, and then look up the compatibility.
Okay.
Because so we have 2 different types of pencils. We have the 2nd generation, which is this one.
Okay.
And we have the 1st generation, which is the one that's just kind of sitting over there.
Oh, awesome. Okay.
So the compatibility is different. So just find out which iPad you have, so you know which pencil works for you.
Right.
But so if you have the 2nd generation, the only difference between the 1st one and the 2nd one is just kind of their charge.
Okay.
So the 2nd generation is magnetically charging through the
Oh,
iPad.
okay.
Whereas the 1st generation, you plug in an adapter and you can charge it as a charging port.
Will that work for the 8th generation?
I don't remember. Let me look.
Oh, that's cool.
Colors. Then right here it'll show you exactly what it does. So it pairs and it charges through the lightning cable, which is down
Oh,
here.
awesome. Okay.
And then if you want, you can hang out, just kind of take a look.
Do
You can play around with them.
if we were to buy the pen, the pen, just the pencil by itself, do we get a charger with it, or we have to buy it separately?
That I actually don't know. Let me find
Okay.
out.
Okay. Yeah, that'd be great. Hey, y'all. So, fun fact: do not judge me, okay? I have never been to H&M. Never. This is my first time being at H&M. And I'm loving what I'm seeing so far. Now, I will say this store has no AC. It is hot as fuck in this store. I don't know why. But, oh my God. First off, the prices are so reasonable. Look.
Remember today. See an associate for more details.
I can make any nigga hit the grip, I'ma let my hip tuck. Put a quarter in the dick, it got a clip, y'all. Feet, ooh, 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 ooh. And the clip is CEE too. What all do you want from me? ARs and them 223. Fucking around with me, you see I'm hot, I'm 500 degrees. Heard he caught a body, what that does not mean shit to me. Got 2 on me. Got 2 on me. Plug in, yes, 2 on me. Detrimental. Me and Glock all on your instrumental. I kill a nigga and it really one coincidental. Stop all that fake shit, you just be on that acting shit. No, I ain't with no captain shit, and I ain't on no rapping shit. No looking bitch, you know it ain't no looking bitch. I check in the blood, nigga like, hey man, what's cracking, bitch? I'm 2 flows up on you, niggas. I'm 2 flows up on you, niggas, yeah. What all do you want from me? ARs and them 223. shit to me. Got two on me, got two on
Black glow, I like black. Never play, he get whack. Now you tryna find his face, ain't no trace, ain't coming back. G9, 2 blocks, just bought a Mac. A Mac for your face, look, rearrange your couch. 1 foot in the industry, 1 foot in the top. About that dope to my bloodline, I treat him like my strap. Cause by me, he'll take the nigga feed off the mouth. Yeah, beat till I'm sleep, push the P, get caught. 2 guns, that's the twin glocks. I roger that, heart colder than a bitch, cause the bitch froze at that. Like a pasta street, people gotta come in the back. Say I want 250K, we go better train on that, nigga.
What all do you want from me? ARs and them 223. Fucking around with me, you see I'm hot, I'm 500 degrees. Heard he caught a body, what that does not mean shit to me. Got 2 on me, got 2 on me. Plug in, yes,
Big black like so. Yeah, what you want, what do you want? Yeah, bitch, for a punk, yeah. What is shit, y'all? Yeah, big black, cause I bleed, y'all. What do you want, what do you breathe, y'all? Yeah, I'm pushing P, y'all. What it is and what it ain't. Yeah, like a skunk, leave him stink.
$10, not for no 1 pair.
I don't use my head, I let the blood come. These are meant to make you blood. I can make any nigga hit the grip, I'ma let my hip tuck. Put a quarter in the dick, you gotta clip, y'all. Freak, ooh, 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 ooh. And the clip is CEE, too. What all do you want from me? ARs and them 223. Fucking around with me, you see I'm hot, I'm 500 degrees. Heard he caught a body, what that does not mean shit to me. Got 2 on me, got 2 on me. Plug in, yes, 2 on me. Detrimental, me and Glock all on your instrumental. I kill a nigga and it really one coincidental. Stop all that fake shit, you just be on that acting shit. No, I ain't with no captain shit, and I ain't on no rap shit. No lacking, bitch, you know it ain't no lacking, bitch. I check in the plug, nigga like, hey man, what's cracking, bitch? I'm 2 flows up on you, nigga. I'm 2 flows up on you, nigga, yeah. What all do you want from me? ARs and them 223. Fucking around with me, you see I'm hot, I'm 500 degrees. Heard he caught a body, what that does not mean shit to me. Got 2 on me, got 2 on me. Plug in, yes,
Black glow, I like black. Never play, he get whack. Now you tryna find his face, ain't no trace, ain't coming back. G9, 2 blocks, just bought a Mac. A Mac for your face, look, rearrange your couch. 1 foot in the industry,
Girl, they have it downstairs. I did not know that. Oh my god. I'm gonna walk my happy ass down here.
I roger that, heart colder than a bitch, cause the bitch froze at that. Like a pasta street, people gotta come in the back. Say I want 250K, we go better train on that, nigga.
what all do you want from me? ARs and them 223. Fucking around with me, you see I'm hot, I'm 500 degrees. Heard he caught a body, what that does not mean shit to me. Got 2 on me, got 2 on me. Plug in, yes,
Big black like so. Yeah.
I would rather go to Fashion Nova for some shoes. I mean, Forever 21. These look basic, child. Too basic for me. Nah, they shoes don't hit. Hey, y'all. So I'm walking in Sephora. There, if you're on YouTube, you may not know this, but there's a brand new fragrance that everybody is reviewing right now, and I want to see if I can find it.